have the same number underneath, you are allowed to combine them. Okay, so the 2 cannot be simplified any further, but the 8 can. What are some factors of 8? 2 and 4, 2 and 2. So what is this radical going to become?
Negative 2 square root 2.
Yeah, so we got negative square root 2 minus, okay, 2 square root 2. Okay, and then we can put a 1 where?
In front of the square root.
Yeah, in front of the first one. So now you can put these two together. What is negative 1 minus 2? Negative 3 square root 2. And this one is complete. Okay, look at 3. Are they the same?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so then we can combine them. Okay, so what is 2 plus 2? 4 square root of 8. However, the 8, hey, I don't, okay, however, the 8 can be simplified further. So we can say 2 and 4, 2 and 2. So what is that radical going to become?
4 times 2.
Yeah, so for this part, you're going to get 2 square root 2, and then you need to drop this 4 down that was originally there. Okay, what do you do with that? Times it. So 4 times 2, 8 square root 2. Okay, if we look at 5, can we combine those?
Yeah.
Which one? All of them. Okay, so we got, there's a 1 right here. So 2 minus 2 is what? 0 minus 1. Negative 1 square root 12. Okay, can the 12 be simplified? Yeah, so what are some factors of 12? 2 and 6. 2 and 3. Okay, so for this part, what is that going to become?
3. Wait,
Yep. Okay, so the 2 can go, so you're going to get 2 square root of 3, and then you need to drop this negative 1 down. And what do you do with those? You're going to multiply them. So negative 1 times 2? Negative 2 square root 3. Okay, 7. Are they the same? No, so can we simplify? No. Okay, the one thing I want to tell you that is different from the front versus the back. So not only does the number underneath the radical need to be the same, like they would have to be like a 2 and a 2, they would have to be the same, but the index also needs to be the same, okay, aka the little number. So like you couldn't combine this. Okay, because they have a different index, okay? You have to have the same little baby number or the index and the same number underneath the radical, okay? So this one, you're going to have to start out by simplifying. So what are some factors of 324? 2 and 162? 162. 2 and 81? 81. 3 and 27, 27. 3 and 9. And then we got 3 and 3. What is our group number? 4. Okay, so we're taking stuff in groups of 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, not talking about the rest of this, just this part. What is this radical going to become?
3. A group of 3.
3.
Square root of 2.
Not 2.
4.
Of 4, okay, because we got 2 and 2 left, okay, so we multiply those, okay, so 2 and 2, and that's really going to become a 4, okay, you put the 2 2's back on the inside, okay, and then the rest of this we can all drop down. So I got 2 square root of 4, 4 minus, and don't forget to drop down this 3.
So it's 6.
And what do you do with those 3's?
Add.
Multiply them. So you're gonna get 2, 4 square root of 4 minus 9, 4, 4. Now can you combine them? Okay, they both have the same number on the inside and they both have the same index. The index is that little baby 4. Okay, so what is 2 minus 9?
7. -7.
Negative 7 square root of 4 with the index of 4. Okay, and I'm sorry because I did not leave you guys very much room. Okay, look at 9. Can we combine those two? No, but do they have the same index? Yes, the index is the baby number. So let's start with the first one. What are some factors of 81? 3 and 27. 3 and 3. No. 3 and 9. 3 and 3. So this first radical, what is it going to become?
3's going on the outside.
Yep.
And 3's going on the inside.
Yep. So we got negative 3 square root of 3, 3. Okay. Make sure your number, your index looks like a baby number. You're gonna get messed up. Okay. And then for the 24, okay, what do we got? 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. So who can go?
1, 2, 1 set of 2. 1 group of 2.
Okay, so these 2's can go. So first you have this minus 2, okay, and then we have this group for this 2. Okay, so what does that 2 and 2 become? Okay, so we're gonna get negative 3 square root 3 minus 4. I keep saying square root. Square root is I got a 2. Okay. What is, now we can combine, okay? The indexes are the same and the number underneath is the same. So we are allowed to combine. So what is negative 3 minus 4? Negative 7 cubed root of 3. Okay, 11. Is there anything we're able to combine? What? The two 24s, okay? And we can put a 1 right here. Okay, so we can combine these. What is negative 3 minus 1? Negative 4. So you're going to have 2 square root of 54 minus 4 square root of 24. Okay, and then let's start with the 54. What are some factors of 54? 2 and 27. 3 and 9. 3 and 3. Okay, on this one, there's going to be a lot going on. Okay, so who can go?
3. 1 set of 2. Yeah, pair of 3.
Okay, so that's going to become 3. And then we have a 2 left and a 3 left. So what do you need to do with those?
Multiply.
Yeah, so on the outside, what are you going to get?
3.
6.
6, because we got to drop this 2. 6, and then 6 on the inside. Okay, minus, now let's work on this other one. 24, I got 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Okay, so who can go?
1 set of, no.
1 set of
Yeah,
2,
1 set of 2.
and then 2 and a 3 can.
Okay, so you're going to get 2, and then a 2 and a 3, and then you still have this negative 4 here. Okay, so what is my number on the outside going to be?
8.
Yep, so minus 8, inside
6.
6. Okay, now, is our index the same? What is our index?
The outside number,
The outside number, and what is it?
2.
It's a 2. If there's nothing there, it's a 2. Okay, is our inside number underneath the radical the same?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a 6 and a 6. So we are allowed to combine the outside. What is 6 minus 8?
They,
Negative 2 square root 6.